I'm Jamie Nash, Marketing Director at Group 1 Automotive. From a workshop point of view, it allows us to communicate with our customers throughout that servicing process, and it also provides transparency. From a sales point of view, it's a similar process. It allows us to create a dialogue with a customer before they arrive in the showroom. Web has completely changed the way that we advertise. Allows customers to do 360s of our vehicles, both inside and outside. And it's always been around trying to create a virtual tour. We want to make sure that the customer feels comfortable with that product before they buy it. And web services has absolutely allowed us to do that. Having the full suite of products from CitNOW has a number of different benefits for us. If we look from a business point of view, we've got one supplier that we're dealing with. Managing all of those products allows us to have that communication and regular communication, which means that we're constantly moving forward because we can look at enhancements across the board. CitNOW help us overcome a number of challenges in our business. It adds value to our workshop. Certainly when we look at EVHCs, red and amber work, the customer is able to see the issues or future issues with their vehicle and get a better understanding. And that helps both from a customer point of view and from a business point of view. A lot of customers are intimidated about coming to our showrooms, and being able to build that virtual relationship with our customers through sales and through the sales system, it allows to break those barriers, and customers feel a lot more comfortable when coming onto the site. CitNOW really helped us in lockdown and the early parts of lockdown, and have continued to help us as we've started to operate in the new norm. One of the big tools for us at that time was CitNOW Live. This allowed customers to do virtual appointments for our sales executives. It sat in a system that our sales teams were already familiar with and knew and trusted, and it opened up that channel for us, and that was huge at that time. When we look at customer satisfaction, video plays a key part in that, whether that's sales or service. And this is a number of things. This is around building rapport and building trust and transparency. It's also the way customers are expecting to deal with us now. Certainly since we've come out of lockdown, people are far more comfortable with that virtual experience. There's two elements for CitNOW sales that we find really beneficial. The first is the reporting, being able to see the usage within our teams and being able to show our teams the impact of that, and what we mean in terms of how many videos we've sent, how many customers have engaged with those, and being able to follow those customers through of those that turned in conversions. And 9 times out of 10, the customers that have received the video, and actually a high quality video, are more likely to buy it. The most beneficial part of workshop, above and beyond what it's been delivering over the last couple of years, the biggest thing is the clarity that's been added. One of the challenges has always been that audio, but now with the new software, it allows customers to purely hear the technician's voice and not hear the noise within the background. So yeah, that's been hugely beneficial. With the web product is certainly the internal and external 360s. This takes us into a new world for our customers to be able to zoom in and zoom out and look all the way around our vehicles from the comfort of their home or within their day-to-day life. That puts us in a different place, and actually for a customer that really adds on to the credibility of the vehicles we're selling. From our customer's point of view, it's consistency. If we look at a life cycle of a customer, when they originally inquired about a vehicle, they receive a CitNOW from us, introducing us as a business and introducing them more into that product they're looking to buy. Fast forward to when they service their vehicle, they're then seeing CitNOW videos from us around the work that's being delivered and the next part of their journey. So for us, it's around consistency. Generally, when you find that you introduce software and systems into the teams, that's often met with resistance. But with the CitNOW team, we found that the training and the support that's offered has actually helped with that. And generally, once the systems are in place and embedded and the teams are comfortable with them, they start to really see the benefits. We receive lots of positive feedback from customers around our CitNOW videos. We also look at our watch rates, and because with such high watch rates, you can see that customers are engaging. When we look at new products, one of the exciting things we look at is the number of times that customer will re-watch that video. And when we look at the number of videos that we're creating and our overall star rating, we know it is having a positive effect to our customers and helping them drive that process, whether it's sales or workshop.